Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching the contoured railing build series of videos, and it's a rather complex job, and you'll notice that I made a few oversights, especially with the height of the railing and the installation of the post, for example. And I just wanted to explain to you that what's happened here is that the customer purchased these products from a company on a clearance. They were going out of business, and it was without my consultation. I wasn't involved at that stage. And it's important for you as a homeowner or as a customer to make sure that when you're purchasing the products, the balusters and the posts and railings and so on, that you have some good insight into what the proper components are. You'll notice here that the balusters were too short. At least half of them were, because of the open staircase build that it was. So I just want to let you know that while this may sound like an excuse, it is the reality, and that you need to start out with all the right components before you do any kind of railing build. Enjoy the video. All right, so it's installation day. We're going to install the post, the railing, the brackets on the wall, and then the other railings as well. And so this is a little different job where everything has been done, dry fit, shaped, pared down with a chisel, stained, and so on. And now we're just going to do the install. The only thing that we'll have to kind of do on the job site here is put 4 balusters into the staircase, and that will be later. So here we go. Wish us luck. All right, so we have this dry fit. We have the railing into a couple of brackets on the wall, the XL connector into the post, and the post into the floor, or the stair tread. But now we're going to throw some adhesive and make a permanent connection. There we go. Okay, put that there. Have to undo that set screw a bit more. Okay, now this would not be a job you could do yourself. The trick is not to put too much glue, but you got to put enough. So it's a bit of a balancing act. Yeah, the flooring glue works really good. Because often in situations, like the ideal thing is to do your posts raw, make your connections with wood glue. But sometimes, you just can't, because the situation, or, some people just can't deal with the odors, right? Plus you have like a oil-based stain, which is going to really permeate the entire house with odor, Well, here goes nothing. Get this going. There we go. That started, right? Yeah. Tighten up this set screw. Okay. We also have to get that screw into the bracket, don't we? Oh, yeah. There, that's in the right spot. Good. Good. Wow. I'll run up there and get that. Yeah, so that is pretty darn good. This way. I haven't tightened it 100% yet. So what I want to do is find that Allen wrench and just cinch this down. There we are. Boy, that connector works good. Because it's kind of pulled that, that's why I loosened that post, is so that when we tighten this, the post will basically turn a little bit. And now I can go down here, let's fine tune this. Whoa, that's right on. Any more level, let's be scary. This is off by a hair, but there, I bet you that'll do it. There. Now what I'll do is I'll get a ratchet set out and I'll just
do it by
see if I can snug that up a little more.
Well, you'll feel better. You'll get the feel of the...
That's right, exactly. So now I'm just going to put a plug here. And normally what I would do is put the post in raw, plug it, glue it, sand it. But in this case, you know, you'd have to be behind here to see that plug. So I'll just tap that plug in and it should be pretty good. I'll just put this little cap in. 3 different colors of caps. And that one's about the closest. Yeah, done. All right. This one seems to be a pretty good fit. And we'll just... Here we go. Just put a little bit of crayon in there or something, should be good. Very good. Good. That'll do. So, all right, we have this next railing on the wall with 3 different brackets. We tackled this by putting a bracket at the bottom and a bracket at the top so that the railing was 36 inches from the staircase, and we had to go a little bit higher because of that receptacle, or actually light switch there. So we're clearing the light switch. I've got 3 brackets, but now I have this end of the railing with no bracket underneath it, and there's no stud there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plug here, and I'll just show you a simple way to do that. All right, so we got a little screw in this bracket. We're going to put the bracket right underneath this connection here, and I'm just going to, like so. Then I'm going to put the screw in, and the screw has pulled it down a bit. So that's about where we want that bracket, in that area right there. So it'll be the higher mark. Now, just going to take this aluminum plug and use a number 3 Phillips and then crank that into the wall. Let's see if that works. There. Got that in pretty good. There. Nice. Now we'll just put a screw through the bottom, and that'll hold that real good. I'll just basically back this off just a touch so I can get that other screw in, get the bracket tight, and we'll be good. There.
There.
Not as solid as a
The
stud, but it's solid enough.
All your drills and that go in the upstairs